Thanks for your company. I'm Benis Abubeidulansa. The details now. One more person has died in the communal violence that broke out Thursday evening between two rival groups at Lakula near Daboya in the Savannah region. The second person was among 4 injured others referred to the Wale hospital after the incident. A family source who confirmed the latest to JoyNews said the victim, Yakubu Amadu, died on the way to the hospital around Fumbisi. Health officials at Mankarigu Health Center told JoyNews he suffered a skull fracture and was in serious condition. Eyewitness accounts suggest the violence was triggered by a misunderstanding over the construction of a mosque in the community. Shooting reportedly started after some young men transporting blocks to the village for the mosque project were stopped midway through their journey. 3 of the injured victims, according to JoyNews sources, have been treated and discharged. Let's get onto the phone line for the latest. Alhaji Sa is Assemblyman for Lakula. Good morning, Alhaji. Thank you for joining the program. We're still trying to reach Alhaji Sa, who is Assemblyman for Lakula. But let me just bring you more details on what we've gathered so far. Details of the violent disturbance is still unfolding, but multiple sources have told JoyNews that shooting started after some young men were transporting blocks to the village for a mosque project. And an official at a health center who refused to be named said victim suffered a skull fracture. The one we understand is dead now. The residents of the village have been sharply divided after the creation of the Savannah and Northeast regions. Originally, under the North Gonja district of the Savannah region, some residents of Lakula and several others in the area, including Mankarugu, have been protesting to join the Mampusi municipality in the Northeast region. We'll be following this and bring you more even as we try to establish contact with the assemblyman of the area to get latest, especially on what's happening with regards to security in the area. But what we know now is that 1 more person has died, bringing the death toll to 2. Thank you so much for staying here. Let's go back to our story on the violence that erupted in Lukula. JoyNews reporter Ilyasu Tanko is in the Savannah region and he has the latest on this. Ilyasu, what latest information are you picking up regards security in the area?
Well, we understand the Regional Security Council and also the North Gonja District Security Council are on their way to this troubled community. We understand also that security forces have been deployed to the area to maintain calm in that particular village. But what we're also learning is that residents in this place, in this community, have deserted. They have fled the community. So the Security Council, together with the DCE for Daboya, are on their way to the village.
Can you give us a quick update on those who've been injured? We understand they've been discharged, but have you heard from them and what have they been saying?
Well, we have not been able to speak to these victims. In fact, I must say that because of the location of this community, it's very difficult to get enough information or get information from this area. This is a village where communication and road networks are terrible. And so anytime there's an incident like this, it's very difficult to get information. But what we are learning is that 3 persons who were sent to the Mankargu Health Center has been treated and discharged. 1 person who was referred to the Wale hospital died on his way, and that has been confirmed to us by family relatives.
Thank you very much, Ilyasu Tanko, for the updates there. I will be following this keenly and let you know whatever comes up of that visit by the DC and other security heads in the region.